Hutchinson County, southwestern Roberts County, until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe fever at 6 hours half as force. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to roofs, siding, and trees is possible. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Borger. A tornado watch remains in effect until 11 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the Panhandle of Texas. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Texas: Carson, Hutchinson, and Roberts.